Managing 10, 20, or 50 plus HVAC locations means managing 10 times the challenges. Brand consistency, local SEO, performance analytics, competing markets, HVAC digital marketing solves that. We deliver enterprise level marketing with centralized dashboards, unified brand controls, and hyper local optimization. Our franchise clients see 15 to 30% performance lifts across all locations with corporate level oversight and local flexibility. If you want an agency that understands dispatch operations, market overlap, and multi location ROI tracking, we're your partner. Request your enterprise assessment today.